Alright guys, unfortunately I didn't get to record it, but it did sputter. Got the starting fluid. I did get spark. I didn't really do anything. The only thing I did was I ended up changing a lot of the wiring in here. Looked it up online because that didn't, the wiring diagrams on it just didn't seem right. Then I found, and they still don't make sense either. But I ended up finding somebody that had the same kind of configuration as this, so I was like, you know what, it's worth a shot. So let's throw some starting fluid in it. So this will be technically your first start, but not really mine. It's a runner. It is a runner. It's just tough to, I'm the only one here, so. Let's try it again. Just mess around with it a little bit more. Have some fun. Because the carburetor needs to be cleaned too, so. Anyway. Let's see how I like that. Actually sounds pretty nice too. Did we blow anything out the back? Not yet. Well, maybe a little bit of that gunk. Alright, I think we had our fun. Not bad for only working on it, a couple of days, kind of crunched into about, 3 hours just to figure it out and have things going. So, hey, I'm happy. Get it going right before we have to go to South Carolina. So, well, that'll do for this video, guys. I'm actually really happy because I ended up hooking it up like it is, and then the starter wouldn't kick. So I was like, alright, maybe it was wired right, so I put it back the other way and the starter wouldn't kick. So I was like, okay, it's not the wiring. So I ended up just taking a couple. I need to go through there and throw some electrical cleaner in there so it makes a better contact. So, but she's a runner. This is awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first run. So, hope you guys all take it easy, alright? Peace.